Hey guys, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. This home was built in 1995. In the 90s, they commonly put a plywood backing on behind the panels. So in this case, it's deteriorating, and you can see it's loose. So it's coming loose from the wall. And as we go down, this whole panel is loose from the wall. And then come down here, and I can actually stick my hand up underneath here, so it's exposing all the underlayment areas to moisture intrusion, which is going to get behind the wall and cause damage in the stucco. So this is a safety concern because water can also get into the panel. So we want to make sure this is addressed. It's a safety concern. For all your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspections, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com. Thank you.